Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an ROG Phone 6 with a very cracked back cover. As you can see here, it's not really visible because it's white, but we'll fix it. So this is a back cover replacement, and we have a brand new back cover here. Not necessarily the same color, but it's gonna be working pretty well with this ROG Phone 6 with all the lights that is on the back, displayed on the back. It's original. Look at that. Brand new as well. So what I've told you earlier is that the cracks on this one is pretty bad, but you can't really see it that much because it's a white back cover. But as we remove it at certain angles, you can really see all the cracks. So we're gonna remove this back cover. It's pretty easy, but we're gonna take our time. David is wearing his thick glove on the left hand and slowly agitating the glue on the side here. We're gonna slice through the glue, put some IPA, slice through tough parts. Gonna cut right through it, slice through. I'm gonna do this slow. It's really slow. We have already cut a few bits of this procedure, but the replacement of a back cover is not that straightforward, I guess. So if you're doing this on your own, you can certainly do it, but if you don't have the experience, you don't have the tools or the technique, and you don't want to risk damaging your perfectly good ROG Phone 6, then you can just head on to your local repair service technician or here in Sydney CBD Repair Center. So just one connector. I'm going to remove that and peel off the back cover right there. Next step is we're going to prep the main chassis, phone chassis. We're going to remove the old residue of the adhesive, and the replacement back cover is already pre-applied with adhesive. Also gonna file off this corner here because I think the aluminum is already bent, and when you replace the back cover, it needs to be flushed when you apply it, just like this one. We're gonna attach the connector. Be careful not to mess this up. Put the foam insert, then position it. Make sure the camera glass is clear and press it in. So what's left to do now is just to check if the LEDs are all working. You can see there's some dots. And being a gaming smartphone, this ROG Phone 6 will give you a treat of LED displays while you're gaming. And you can see there, it's not that clear, but it's changing. It's changing. So if you enjoyed this video, if you want this same repair done to your ROG Phone 6, don't hesitate to message us. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions on what we can improve on our repairs. But this is it. You can message David through Instagram, Facebook, Google, and he will find the right parts for you if you are up to the repair stipulations that we have. And we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
There's some shards of glass remaining on the housing, so we're just gonna clean it up with bare hands, bare fingers. Nothing to worry about. We're just gonna clean it up. Just a quick one. And then we're just gonna put our own liquid adhesive around where the display make contact with the housing. It's enough so that it will provide some level of water resistance. It's not really the same with factory, but this is gonna hold on to the new display like we're gonna install here. I'm gonna slide in the connector for the display that goes through the housing. So we're gonna pull that out on the other side. And then we're gonna focus now on positioning the replacement display. It's gonna be fiddly. And then press it in. We're gonna use the housing as our main guide. Make sure the camera, the front camera, is not contaminated by adhesive. And now we're gonna attach the connector for the display. So that's it. We're halfway done. If you have an ASUS ROG Phone 6 that needs a new display and you don't want to do it and you can't repair your own device, or maybe you don't have a repair technician that is willing to undertake this kind of repair, just message us here, Sydney CBD Repair Center. We're gonna provide you with free diagnostics. We'll see if we have parts for your ROG Phone 6 or your iPhones or Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And you can also visit us. If you can't visit us though, you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll receive it. Give it a try fixing it here in the shop, and then once it's fixed, we're gonna send it back to you. We're just gonna reverse everything that we have done. Just gonna be fast forwarding the video. It took a while. The ROG Phone 6 is more complicated than your standard smartphone screen replacement. It leans towards on the more complicated side because of its design and assembly structure. As you can see here, David's just inspecting the situation up front. We're gonna test it finally, and thankfully it's booting up. We're just gonna clean off some residue from the adhesive. We're gonna install the back cover. We're gonna secure that connector, and we're gonna close up the device. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something. If you are trying to learn how to fix an ROG Phone 6, maybe this video can help you out a bit. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, we'll see you again. Take care of yourself. Cheers.